And very good morning to one and all present virtually and physically for the assignment 5th. We had shared with you and now going to discuss on 23rd of September 2021. First question in the assignment that was health means our ability to remain free from illness and injuries. Is it true or false? It is true. Very good. Those who have done true, please make it correct. Second is Hakim Sheikh was a member of the Paschim Bang Khet Mazdoor Samiti. Is it true or false? It is true. So जिन्होंने true mark किया है, please correct कर लीजिए. बाकी false wrong कर लीजिए. Full form of RMP. हाँ जी. हाँ जी, that is registered medical practitioner, medicine practitioners. Medicine practitioners. Om Prakash Valmiki is the famous Dalit writer. Name his autobiography. Juthan. Juthan was the autobiography that was. दिखाओ बच्चे. बेटा मेडिकल ही है फिर. Yes, registered medical practitioners. Hanji. Now next is when person are treated unequally, their dash is violated. Their dignity is violated. Okay, good. In what way Om Prakash Valmiki's experience similar to that of Ansari? Ansari से किस तरह से मिलता था ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि का इंसिडेंट? आरव चोपड़ा, stand up. Now give the answer. मैंने क्वेश्चन 2 बार बोला है. Come here. Come here, I say. Full form of RMP, just write on the board. Come here. Full form of RMP. सीधा लिखना. Let him see whether he has done his own or by cheating. Sixth question, in what way Om Prakash Valmiki's experience similar to that of Ansari? Yes. Anji Ramni.
Om Prakash Valmiki's experience was similar to that of Ansari's case. Om Prakash Valmiki and Ansaris were discriminated on the basis of their religion and caste.
Hanji, they both were being discriminated in the society. One was on the religion, another was on the caste. Who was discriminated on the basis of religion?
Ansaris.
And who was discriminated on the basis of caste? Om Prakash Valmiki. So first point, they both were discriminated on the basis of caste and religion. Second point.
Their dignity was violated.
They were violated because they were not equally treated in the society. As Om Prakash Valmiki was ill-treated in dash place. कहाँ पर play हुआ था? In the school. What kind of discrimination?
On the floor and sweep the ground.
Okay, and he was not supposed to take the water from the water source in the school. Another point.
And the Ansaris not give the apartment because and the landlords made some excuse that we cannot rent their apartment.
Okay, Ansari was discriminated because of his religion, as he was not getting a rented apartment in the area where he wanted to because of his religion. So both dignities were violated and we consider both of them as a same. Fine. Next question, write the difference you find between public and private health services. Any other student? Ayush, Harshdeep?
public health. They are provided by
हाँ जी, public health services are provided by the government and private health services are provided by the
company.
private company, private individual, or we can say
Are owned individually by doctors.
individually by a doctor. Any second point?
They work for the welfare of
They work for the welfare of people and private health services are working for the
profit.
earning the profit. Third number.
The government hospital, there are nominal charges, but in the private hospital, there are very costly charges.
हाँ जी, in the public sector health services, they are charging normal price or normal, you can say fee, but in the private hospitals, they are charging high fees. ठीक है, another point. हाँ जी, हाँ आप बोलो. Yes, urban areas. Huh. Public health services are available both in the urban and rural area, whereas private health services are available only in the urban areas. Yivam. हाँ जी, in public health services, medicines are available or can be available at very lower cost, or you can say free of cost. But in the private health services, they are charging high cost. And Javi. All the section of the society can afford public health services, whereas private health services can be afforded only by the rich section of society. Any other points?
And the condition of the public health services is not good, whereas the private health services condition is better.
हाँ जी, condition of public health services is not good, but the condition of private health services are making the availability of advanced tool, technology and equipments which can be used during the time of emergency in the private hospitals. हाँ जी, other point.
Public health services. The people have to wait in a long queue at the OPD center, whereas in the private health services, the patients can meet the doctor directly.
Yes, in the public health services, patient has to stand in the long queue, but in the private hospitals, patient can meet directly to the doctor by paying the extra fee. Okay, so these are the difference between the public and private health services available in our country. Hope everything is clear to us. So, Aditi, please take the screenshots and send it. Hanji beta, whose dignity was violated in the chapter on equality? Two persons' dignity was violated. Name them. Name them. आप नहीं, इसने बताना है. और अच्छा, ये तो था ही नहीं. Beta ji, I am going to change the question for him. From the question, I am making the question. हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन था जिसका आंसर था dignity was violated. तो वही मैंने पूछ लिया. Dignity was violated of two personalities. Name that two personalities. In which areas? अबे डिस्कस किया हमने. Rural area. Okay. They were violated in the basis of religion and caste. and you are saying rural area. शायद अभी 5 मिनट में भूल गया. Okay, thank you very much, beta ji. Tomorrow we will continue.